So here is Shuffles app, and let's explore how to use camera in Shuffles app. So when you're creating a new shuffle, you can actually tap on camera icon in the bottom, and then you have camera. So you can just tap there, you can take a photo, and then actually automatically you can try to cut something out. You can also draw some area to search. So you can just try to another. Okay, so sometimes it's not cutting out. That's great. And then you can just yeah, you can cut something. Okay, anyways, let's just take a better image probably. So here it is. So for example, a pencil, and then I just took an image and I want to cut it out. That's it. And then there you have it. So I just cut out a pencil. I can move it around like this. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. It's pretty cool. And then you can use it in your shuffles. So this app has built-in background remover, so you don't need to use Canva or some other apps or to remove background. You can instantly do it in the Shuffles app.